Hi everyone, it's Dr. Van Dusen at New Hope Chiropractic. Today's 3-minute health talk is going to be about mosquito bites. It's summertime and we all like to enjoy the outdoors, a nice balmy evening, sitting outside with our friends, having a nice dinner, but that can also mean suffering from, you guessed it, mosquito bites. So these tiny little creatures are so small, they can be hard to see and spot at first, hard to avoid, and oftentimes you aren't even aware that you've been bitten until a few days later when a bump arrives on your skin and your skin itches like crazy. The bumps basically are a reaction from an anticoagulant that prevents your blood from clotting. The bite in itself doesn't hurt, but the painful reaction afterwards can last days or even weeks. So the best thing to do, of course, is to let it heal by itself. Do not itch it, don't scratch it. I know, though, that can be a very hard thing to do, hard to resist. So what I've done is put together 7 home remedies that'll help and keep the mosquito bite from itching. So number 1 is green tea bags. Dampen and refrigerate a green tea bag and then hold it on the bite until it stops hurting or stinging. So this should help to soothe the swelling and stop the itching. Number 2 is honey. Might sound like honey would actually attract the mosquitoes, but in fact, honey is an antiseptic agent, and that can stop the bite from getting infected and getting much, much worse. Number 3, Scotch tape. Cover the bite with a piece of Scotch tape or even a Band-Aid, and it will stop you from scratching the bump and making it worse, which can lead to infections. A good way to keep yourself from scratching it. Number 4 is aloe vera. Aloe vera is a wonder plant with many beneficial properties to it, but for mosquito bites, aloe vera draws on its anti-inflammatory agents to soothe the bite. So not only this, but if you store the aloe vera in the fridge and then apply it, it'll also prevent itchiness. Number 5, rubbing alcohol. The alcohol in rubbing alcohol or other substances with alcohol content like witch hazel, for example, and hand sanitizer is effective at taking away the itch and even the bite. It can sting a little, but it shows that it's working. Number 6, soothing basil. Rubbing basil leaves on the bite can help to soothe the swelling and stop the itching. It also has been known to stop the mosquito bites from itching in the first place. Number 7, another thing you can do is make an aspirin paste. Crush up some aspirin and mix it with a little bit of water until it forms a paste, and dab that on the bite, and then feel the effects almost instantly. The drug contains salicylic acid, which is an anti-inflammatory that can help to soothe the stinging sensation of the bite. So those are just a few ways that you can avoid the irritation and pain and itchiness of mosquito bites, and hope that helps you have a great summer. Take care. Bye-bye.